You look down at your laptop screen and suddenly the room starts spinning. Your stomach drops. What is actually happening inside your body right now? This isn't rare. Millions of people feel dizzy and off balance the moment they focus on a screen up close, and most never learn why.
Today, on Diabetes Reversal, we go inside your eyes, your nerves, and your blood sugar to uncover the real medical reason near-vision dizziness happens. Welcome back to Diabetes Reversal, where we break down real medical science so you can understand and take control of your body. If you felt dizzy staring at a laptop up close, you probably blamed tired eyes or too much caffeine. But the real story is different. This isn't simple eye strain. It's a chain reaction between your blood sugar, the lens of your eye, and the nerves that keep you balanced. To understand this, we need to look at one tiny structure, the lens of your eye. It focuses light, and it is extremely sensitive to sugar. When blood sugar rises, extra fluid is pulled into the lens by osmosis. The lens physically swells and changes shape within hours. A swollen lens can't bend light correctly. Objects at near distance, like your laptop screen, suddenly look blurred, doubled, or unstable. When your brain receives this unstable, shifting image, it struggles to make sense of it, and that confusion is exactly what feels like dizziness. Ever notice it's worse first thing in the morning? There's a name for that, the dawn phenomenon, a natural surge in blood sugar before you wake.
Research shows the dawn phenomenon affects roughly half of all people with type 1 or type 2 diabetes, and it can blur near vision fast.
But high blood sugar is only half of this story. The opposite extreme, low blood sugar, causes an even stranger kind of dizziness. When blood sugar drops too low, the eyes and brain are both starved of fuel at the same time, and vision is often the first thing to suffer. Vision isn't only about the eyes. Your brain assembles the final image. During a glucose-starved brain can't process what your eyes are seeing. Even the tiny muscles that aim your eyes need fuel. When they weaken during a low, your eyes can drift slightly out of alignment. Fluctuating blood sugar also weakens the eye's focusing muscle. Switching focus from your screen to something far away becomes noticeably harder. Doctors call this accommodative insufficiency. The ciliary muscle that adjusts your lens simply tires out faster when glucose levels are unstable. The result: tired, achy eyes, headaches after screen time, and sometimes double vision up close, all warning signs your eyes are struggling to cope. Over time, long-term high blood sugar can damage nerves throughout the body, a condition called diabetic neuropathy. And yes, that includes the nerves controlling your eyes.
Diabetes can affect the specific cranial nerves that move your eyes. When one of these nerves is damaged, the two eyes stop aiming perfectly together.
Even a tiny misalignment forces your brain to fuse two slightly different images, especially during close-up focus. That mismatch is a direct trigger for dizziness.
Long-term high blood sugar can also damage the tiny blood vessels in the retina itself, a condition called diabetic retinopathy.
Research shows diabetic retinopathy affects more than 1 in 3 people living with diabetes, regardless of which type they have. Here's what surprises most people. Research shows repeated low blood sugar episodes can actually make existing diabetic eye disease worse, not better. This isn't guesswork. Dr. Ronald Klein's landmark Wisconsin epidemiologic study of diabetic retinopathy tracked thousands of patients and became the foundation of what we know today.
Today, researchers like Dr. Jennifer Sun at the Joslin Diabetes Center continue this work, studying exactly how blood sugar control protects your eyes long-term.
That's why the American Diabetes Association recommends a dilated eye exam soon after diagnosis, and regularly after that, before symptoms even start. Screen time itself makes all of this worse. We blink up to 60% less often while staring at a screen, drying and straining the eyes further. The longer you stay locked on a near screen, the more your fatigued focusing muscles and unstable blood sugar compound, and dizziness gets stronger. Your brain constantly compares what your eyes see with what your inner ear feels. When strained, Sugar-affected eyes send a shaky signal. That mismatch feels like vertigo. One simple fix, the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It rests your focusing muscles instantly. But the real fix is deeper. Keep your blood sugar stable and get regular eye exams. Most of these causes are manageable, and many are reversible. So next time your laptop makes you dizzy, remember, it could be your lens, your brain, your eye muscles, or your nerves, all connected to blood sugar. If this helped you understand your body a little better, subscribe and hit the bell, because at Diabetes 2 Reversals, we turn confusing symptoms into real answers.